This is the Ostentation Quilt, part of the Peacock Alley collection by Elsie Ess. I really love the colors in this group, as we have this beautiful turquoise and aqua and a little bit of this fuchsia color that's in there that pops out from behind these beautiful royal looking peacocks. We have 14 SKUs in this group. Each of the patterns are showcased here. I really love this watercolor floral here. It's just so beautiful. And then we have beautiful little framed peacocks. If you're really a peacock lover, this is one way to really highlight it. And then our panel is a great option for getting started with any quilting project. It makes it so much easier to build around this wonderful panel, which has a peacock feather stripe around the border. The Ostentation Quilt was designed by Denise Russell, and it is a 55-inch by 67-inch quilt once it is finished, and the technique used is paper piecing.